Alright guys, check it out. So this here is the all-new HOROW T38, a smart toilet that I have to say is out of this world. And now, as you can tell, it's got a futuristic design with built-in emojis, as well as fully customizable for your behind. And in this episode here, we'll be unboxing as well as setting it up and seeing exactly what are all the features. So if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so it's time out with the old and in with the new. First, let's go ahead and remove our old toilet seat. And then in terms of packaging goes, it's actually quite simple. It comes with a little box that includes our wax donut, as well as a variety of different tools and pieces that require it to go ahead and mount on there. Now, it does come with a special T, so just keep that in mind. And then that will actually go into the wall. Now, we actually got a separate battery pack just in case if the power does go out, it will go ahead and flush when necessary. Now, we went ahead and rerouted our wiring to go ahead and plug it into the wall, and then setting it all up was more or less a breeze. Now, moving the toilet seat was quite difficult based on the size, just because of the fact that it was a very tight spot. But once in, it was quite easy to set up, and then with a few checks, making sure that it doesn't leak, we're ready to go. Alright, so our HOROW T38 is finally installed.